In this video, I'm breaking down how you can easily create a country pop song within Ableton or FL Studio or whatever DAW you're using. And my name is Saint Post. I've been a music producer for 10 plus years. And if you're interested in turning your passion for music production into profit, I actually have a product down here in my store where you can learn to create, launch, and sell your first digital product as a music producer within your first 14 days. But let's get straight into creating this country pop track. So the reason I wanted to make this video is to show you how easy it is to create a song like this. Normally I would play my own guitars. In this particular situation, I don't have an acoustic guitar right now. So I would have to go with a sample from Splice. But this is how it sounds. All the bad things that I have done, and I'm so tired to be ashamed. Getting drunk and then getting in a fight, and I didn't know that it caused pain. But it won't bring me down, I'll turn my life around. They'll try to shoot me down, but I won't fold. I've been thinking about you all night. I've been thinking about you every time that I open a bottle of wine. I've been thinking about you all night. I've been thinking about you every time that I open a bottle of wine. Please be mine. So obviously this is my vocals. I made the vocal melody, I wrote the song. I have to admit though, I'm not really a great songwriter, so the lyrics here are so fucking cheesy, but it's just to prove a point, right? So all I have in this particular song is a guitar sample, which only plays in the verse with a simple filter, so that filters down in the verse. Then after that it goes into this one, Bring Me Down, which is just a Nexus deep house guitar preset that acts like a vehicle to drive more energy in the pre-chorus here. In the chorus I have a sub bass, I have the guitars here once again, and I have some strings, and I have some drums. That's it. That's everything I have in this track, and it still sounds good. And my point here is to focus on the track. So this is what I do here. All I did was that I just had this guitar loop here. I recorded all of my vocals, and now I can determine whether I want to go on with this song or not. In this particular case, I don't really like the song that much, so I figured I'll just make a video on it just to show you how easily people can create music nowadays. I mean, anyone could pull this off, right? This is so simple. It's just a Splice sample and some more instruments just to add a bit more energy and get drums. That's it. But you have to focus on this, the vocals. The vocals is what drives the track, right? Even now, when the vocals are so low quality and nonsense lyrics, they still drive the song. So I just wanted to make that quick video. Is this really a 6-minute video? Wow. So I just wanted to make that quick video just to show you how easy it is to create a country song. I mean, look at this. This is too simple. So get out there, make some country pop songs, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.